up just round the corner and Ewell Court recreation grounds here. So, show you a bit about that. Just over there is the island project, where they built a big island filled with animals and birds and swans and ducks and all that, so they can go to the island and basically go on land and swim about, for example. Just zoom you in, because I do like a duck. But these are obviously swans, so different types. Just over here. Oh. Yeah, and obviously you can't feed them bread. Chokes them, but yeah. Just lots of different breeding over here. Just walk you around a bit. Oh, just over here, and that red bit's over there, from behind the trees, is the Ewell Court Library. But obviously it says it's closed today, which I had to look earlier. So you can't go inside there. Ooh, favourite ducks. Quack quack. Oh, duck. My favourite creature and animal. There's more of the pond area. Oh, still beautiful sunshine. We've come through down there from another entrance to the Hogsmill Riverside open space. This is the one where you've got Thames water, disgusting Thames water sewerage, sewerage storm tanks. For the welcome to Ewell storm tanks, the Thames water utility. So that's the way we're going, and we're going down here as well. We're still surrounded by nature on a warm, hot September day. If we creep through the greenwood, and what will we find? Back at another one of these Hogsmill Local Nature Reserve signs. I think we are somewhere around here, not too far from Ewell Village. If you've been keeping track of my progress through these videos, then do have a look on Google Maps of the route I took. I started at the Bones Gate, which is the William Bourne pub, just by the side of it, on a little alleyway down there. little walk, a path down there. And if you've been following me, do check for Hogsmill River walks on Google Maps. Hogsmill River walk. If I try and stay and try and follow the river, see if you can try and map roughly where I've been. Obviously I'm still on the way to Ewell Village, so you can map all the way there, see where and when and how I got to Ewell Village. Just sharing with you some more outstanding beauty around the Hogsmill open area.
Was I drawn into your orbit, or were you drawn into mine? In any case, you've given me a new reason to shine. The circles we're revolving, spinning recklessly around, growing tighter by the hour, till the flash and then the sound, and for a moment two are one, glowing with the brilliance of a multiplying sun. But even stars will one day fall, and I won't shed a tear, 'cause for a time we had it all. In a darker time I floated like a lamp.
Right, there we go. We've got Epsom and Kingston, if you can see that. Not sure if you can. And Tarworth Epsom up ahead, Tarworth and Kingston to the right, and then you've got one to the left, and Ewell's straight up front. It's still amazing at 10 to 3 how on the 17th of September that we still get very nice temperatures. Well, I can't say for the rest of the country, but down in Epsom and surrounding areas, it's very, 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 very nice all day. Can't say for the rest of the week, but today's been gorgeous. Just turn you around there, have a look. Excellent, we found a sign for Ewell Village. The other one was Ewell. This is Ewell Village to the left. Epsom to the right. And Kingston and Tarworth that way. So let's go to our left. Basically, I didn't go the straightforward route. I could have gone a couple of bits of the back way in a nice back areas like this. Just to show you the diversity of Epsom and Ewell area, and Epsom, they're nice greenery areas. But I didn't. I went a totally different way, just to show you all the nice natural areas of Epsom, Ewell and Epsom, for example. Because obviously a lot of the areas are basically built up, so you get quite a few. If you have a look on the map, from where I started to where I finished, you can see all the green areas where you can go around. Obviously I've still got to do the Chesington areas. Haven't got time for that today, but I'll be done another day. So do look out for that one. Just show you around here quickly. It's now 5 to 3. Just following Meadow Walk round so we can get onto the Kingston Road, and that is basically Ewell Village in its entirety. So getting beautiful. We found it at last. Well, not so much found it, but we got there in the end. because I took you around the nice areas. I could have just gone bang bang bosh bosh straight away, but I didn't need to in the end. So just turn you around and just have a look. We're in the main road now. All the 8 bells. We're in the pub. The 8 bells. Flipping hell. Nice little pub on its own. Oh. Not far now. Not far. I will go and visit 2 of the charity shops first, because they close about 5 and it's 3:05. Then I'll go into Bourne Hall Park and show you around there, and then I'll make my way home. So let me know down below again if you've enjoyed these videos, set of videos, and what you thought about them. What was your favourite bit, what you didn't like, what could be improved, what you liked about the area, for example, and the locations I've gone, and if you found your way that I took. Well, I did make it, but due to staff shortages, they closed till 1st October. More ducks and oh dear. Well, hey, more ducks. With this one in particular, one of my favourites. That one right there. Oh. Fighting for security. Hey. Must be nice and warm. Flipping hell. Really? Mama. Bourne Hall. Space shape of a Bourne Hall was built in the 60s. Site of the original Bourne Hall was Herrick's name. Yeah, okay. What's that? London Loop section 7 and 8. What's that? Of London Loop. So apparently London Loop starts there, goes all the way up to Banter Golf Course, Ewell Station, non-such, Bourne Hall, which we're here now, Hogsmill River, follow the Hogsmill River, the Malden Manor Station, okay, Bowland, Kingston upon Thames, and that's where the Hogsmill finishes and goes into the Thames, and there's the Thames as well, but Hogsmill there, goes up and round, all the way up and round there and into Kingston, and then goes right into the Thames. I kind of wonder what the poppies meant. Oh, that's what it is. 1914 to 1918, lest we forget. Sponsored by the Epsom Ewell Borough Council. Over the British Legion. Oh, nice one. They got them dotted around quite a lot of the Ewell Village. Not bad, not bad. Oh, at least they're remembering. First World War. Right guys, hopefully you've liked that video. Please do give me a comment down below what you thought of the video, what you liked, what you disliked, what you thought was funny, for example. Please do give this video a thumbs up, a like, and share this video with friends and family. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell, also turn the notifications bell on, smash it and whack it, so you get notifications to all my upcoming videos. Once again, thanks for watching, have fun.